Hello students, today I am going to discuss an important question that most of the time creates confusion among students. And the question is whether 0 is a positive integer or it's a negative integer. So students, you have to keep in mind that 0 is simply an integer. You can't say it the positive or the negative one. It works as a separator between the positive and the negative integers. I have written over here 0. That separates the positive integers from its negative integers. Positive side, the right side, a number which is closer to 0. Nearer to 0 is smaller, but a number which is far from 0 becomes bigger and bigger. And it works opposite in the negative direction. A number which is close or near to 0 is bigger than a number which is far from 0. These are the general concepts that I have discussed. Now 0. What about this 0? It is neither positive nor negative. It is because of the fact that when we try to add two same integers with opposite signs, every time we will get 0, but no sign can be used in this case when will we get the answer 0. I explain it with the help of some examples. Example 1. I have taken two numbers, 12, positive 12 and the negative 12. And going to add these twos. First of all, I have applied the operation on the signs. Plus minus minus means I have to subtract. First thing, I have to subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. So I will get 0 after subtracting. Now the third point is what sign? Now I have to use in front of this 0. Because one number is positive and the other number is negative. In this case, I can't use any sign because the two numbers are equal in value. I explain it with some other examples so that you can easily get the difference among these examples. Now the example number 2. Now here I have taken the positive 12 and the negative 4. Now adding these two. The first operation I have to apply on the signs, mathematical signs. Plus minus minus means I have to subtract. After subtracting 4 from 12, I will get 8. And the sign that I have to use in front of 8 is always the sign of the bigger number, and the bigger number between these two numbers is this one. So I have used the sign plus. You can see I have used this sign, positive sign, in front of 8. Another example. Now I have taken negative 12 and positive 4. Again, the first operation I have to apply on mathematical signs means plus minus minus. I have to subtract. Subtract 4 from 12. The answer is 8. Now which sign I have to use in front of 8? It will be the sign of the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 12 and the sign is minus. So I use the sign of this. Students, now with example 2 and example 3, it becomes clear that you have to use the sign of bigger number. But in case of example 1, when the two numbers are same, you can't say which one number is bigger or which one is the smaller. So you can't use any sign in front of 0. So 0 is neither positive neither negative. It is simply an integer. With this, the today's topic is completed. If you like the video, don't forget to share it and subscribe it. Thank you, students.